in knowing every child's progress, especially in their academic works, can easily be accessed and disseminated and understood. Continue to bless our school and our parents with an open working mind and heart in support to greater achievements of our students. All this we ask and pray for in Jesus' name through Saint Patrick. Amen. In the name of Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Good afternoon po, dear parents and everyone.
So good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, our dear parents, our esteemed members of St. Patrick's School community. A warm and hearty welcome to our parents portal system reorientation session. We are very delighted to have you all join us today as we embark on this journey to familiarize ourselves with our school's online portal system. This orientation is an essential initiative designed to ensure that all parents are well equipped with the tools and knowledge necessary to navigate our digital resources effectively. Our St. Patrick School Parents Portal System, it's a user-friendly online platform created to foster strong communication and collaboration between our school and parents. It serves as a digital gateway to various resources, information, and tools aimed at enhancing the educational experience of our students. With this reorientation, we aim to empower you, our valued parents, with the ability to make the most of these valuable resources. Our objectives for today would be to provide an overview of the Parents Portal system and its important key features, to offer guidance and accessing and navigating the portal efficiently, and to demonstrate how you parents can access your child's academic records and important things about their progress reports, and to emphasize the importance of regular communication and engagement through the portal, and lastly, to address any questions or concerns you may have about the portal. The importance of this parents portal is for transparency and engagement amongst the school and you, our dear parents, for convenience, to access essential information and communicate particularly with teachers and school administrators from the comfort of your homes. And of course, very important would be the timely updates, that you can receive timely notifications about the school events, announcements, and even, let's say, accounts of your sons and daughters and changes, ensuring that you are well informed about the latest developments. For academic support, by monitoring your child's academic performance, you parents can provide the timely support and encouragement, and ultimately helping our students achieve their full potential. And most importantly, for efficient communication. So the portal streamlines communication between the parents, the teachers, and the school, making it easier to address concerns, set up parent-teacher meetings, and collaborate for the benefit of the students. So we are very confident that this reorientation will empower you with the knowledge and tools to make the most of our parents portal system. And we hope it will contribute to strengthening the partnerships between our school and to you, our dedicated parents. So thank you for your active involvement in your child's education and for joining us today. Let's embark on this journey of digital empowerment together, working hand in hand to ensure the success and well-being of our students. So thank you very much. This is Dr. Dari Idakanay, the Director for Academics at St. Patrick's School of Quezon City. Now, I'd like to call our school registrar to formally have our introduction of today's event. I'd like to call Mr. Roji Saroza, our school registrar. So, Roji, the Zoom floor is yours.
Thank you, Sir Dari. Once again po, good afternoon. So this time po, I'll be going to introduce to you on how to register the parent portal account. What is a parents portal? A digital platform that allows parents to view their child's progress and school. This can include information on their grades, attendance, class schedule, and learning milestones. So the importance of a parents portal. The online parent portal should function as an efficient platform for parents to stay in touch with teachers about their child's progress and achieving sites, and to students' progress, and help identify areas of improvement too. So this time, I will be going to discuss to you the step or process on how to register your parent portal account. So for step 1, ito po yung makikita po natin pag ito po yung itsura or picture ng ating parents portal sa pag naglalag po tayo. Ito po ang step 1 natin. Go to sps.ec1schoolsystems.com. Ito po yung link na pupuntahan nyo, ma'am, sir, para dun sa pag-log natin sa parents portal. Kung makikita nyo po, may tatlong icon po kayo na makikita. Staff login, parent login, new student application form. So tandaan nyo po itong sps.ec1schoolsystems.com. For the step 2,
Sir Rogie, pabalik ka nga yung step 1 baka para makita ng ating dear parents. Yeah.
Okay, yan po ang step 1 po natin. Paki-screenshot na lang po kung gusto niyo po makita yan. Ito po yung link, kung makikita niyo po, sps.ec1schoolsystems.com. Okay. Okay po. Okay. For step 2, click on parent login. Kung makikita niyo po, meron po ditong parang picture sa gilid. May tatlo po siyang icon, staff login, parent login, new student application form. Doon sa part niyo po, i-click niyo lang po yung parent login na naka-yellow. And then proceed po tayo sa step 3. Click on register to proceed with the creation of your parent portal account. So ito po yung makikita nyo po, email, password, and then click the login. So register. Nakikita nyo pong yellow na yan, click the register. Step 3 po tayo. Step 4. Kindly fill out the necessary parent information and click on create account. Dito po tayo nagkakaproblema minsan kasi there are some parents, ang kailangan nyo po talagang ilagay, information po ninyo, hindi po sa bata. So as of now po, baka may mga parents po tayo nag-start na or nakagawa na, dapat po talagang information ng parent ang ilagay. Kung magtatanong po kayo regarding dun sa editing niya, as of now po wala po kayong makikitang edit. So parang kailangan nyo pong tawag dito, coordinate dito sa registrar's office or sa school kung may kailangan po kayong ipa-assist regarding dito sa step 4. Kasi yung iba po ang nilagay nila dito ay information ng estudyante. So klaro po last name, given name, middle name, email address, and contact mobile. Yun po yung kailangan natin na information from the parents. Okay po. For step 5, after hitting the create account button, the system will send an activation email. So, may makikita po kayo sa gilid yung activation page. Yan po ang mismo ang makikita nyo po. Okay. Note, please see the email and follow the instructions given. Pag kinlik nyo po itong sa gilid, yung activation page, Hi, to activate your portal password, balik mo naman. Saglit lang. To activate your portal password, click here or paste the following link into your browser. Ito yung makikita nyo na next. Ayan, create your password. So ang kailangan po natin dito ay minimum of 8 alphanumeric characters. So new password, confirm password, and reset password. So yun po ang makikita natin. Hindi po kami ang mag-create ng password ha. Kayo po parents ang mag-create ng password. Next, Ma'am Van. Okay po. Kindly ensure that the email address you will be using to create your parent portal account matches the email address on the primary contact details that you have registered on your enrollment form to avoid errors or invalidity in your account creation. Ibig sabihin po nito, during the enrollment, naalala niyo po noong August, July, nag-enroll po tayo dito sa school, kailangan po i-match doon. Yung binigay niyo po dito sa amin, yung in-enroll niyo sa system ng Patrick, yun po dapat ang ginagamit niyo po sa pag-create ng account para hindi po tayo magkakaproblema. Kaya minsan nagkaka-error po, bakit hindi po ganito? Kasi yung email address niyo dyan na ginamit, baka hindi po nag-match dito sa binigay niyo sa school. So may makikita po kayong important note, alert notice. Please check the following. Email not associated to any student accounts. Please call the school registrar to verify your registered email address. Gaya ng sinabi ko po kanina, kailangan nyo pong kontakin yung school registrar or IT personnel ng school kung match po ba yung nilagay yung email address dyan dito sa enrollment form na binigay nyo during the enrollment. Okay po. So next. For verifying email addresses and any concerns regarding the parent portal, ito po yung mga number, pwede nyo po itong i-screenshot or picturean nyo po yan. Ito po yung pwede nyo kontakin the IT personnel of St. Patrick's School. Okay? Pwede nyo rin po kayo tumawag sa amin or else may ibang parents kung gusto pumunta sa office, we are open from 8:15 to 5 o'clock po. Pwede po namin kayong i-assist doon. Dito po sa office ng registrar po para mas mapadali kayo. Kung ayaw nyo pong itawag lang para ma-verify nyo po yung email address. So pwede nyo pong i-picturean itong concerns or pwede nyo pong kontakin dito sa school. Si Ma'am Vanessa po ang pangalan, yung IT personnel po natin dito. Okay po. Okay naman ba? Okay, thank you po.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Roji. I think I posted a message po dyan. If you have any concerns po with regards to the validation of your email address, baka ho kasi hindi ho yun yung nailagay nyo or nagkamali po, you can message us through our FB Messenger. Just put po doon yung complete name of your child, yung grade level, tapos yung email address po na gagamitin. Or you can also call us po at 7-759-2274. Just look for Miss Van po. Or if you have time po, you can visit the school para ma-assist po kayo. Okay. So our next person will be talking about the technical and the processes of our parents portal system. Would like to call our system provider, Mr. Edward Arcega. Sir Edward, the Zoom floor is yours.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, dear parents, St. Patrick, good afternoon. I am Edward of Commerce One and I'm here to present yung benefits and advantages of our parent portal system. So, alam niyo po, dear parents, if there's one thing that we all learned during the pandemic is that technology is indeed a vital part of our education today. So, because of that, St. Patrick has done introduce new technologies to become available to our parents, no, para mas maging maganda and quality ang education ng ating mga estudyante. Dadagdagan ng St. Patrick ng isang magandang technology. So one way of monitoring the advantage of that is through parent portal. So what's new? Okay? So ito po ang mga advantage niyan, itong parent portal. So the first slide is the dashboard. So ang ibig sabihin po nito, it gives you the convenience, real-time information and dashboard of all your students. So meaning, parents, regardless of your children, whether you have 1, 3, 5, or many children, you can view that in one account. Hindi nyo na ho kailangan na magpalipat-lipat pa ng account. So you could view all informations and dashboards of your students in just one platform. So kasama po dyan sa dashboard na yan, the next slide please, kasama po dyan is their schedule. So instantly, makikita na natin yung kanilang mga schedules, subjects, nandyan din yung subject teachers, and including yung mga advisors, no, and the calendar of events ng school. And then nandyan din ho yung mga informations nila, yung mga profile and LRN number, no, basic information. And then you also have yung address, no? The next one please. You have the address, and then
Good afternoon.
you also have the next slide please. The parents information. So ito po yung sinasabi nila Sir Dari at Sir Rods kanina, no? Yung sa parents information po or guardians information, nandito po ang information ng parents, and please make sure that the email address that you put in here is the same email address that you will be using sa parent portal to be able to match, dahil yun po ang magiging link nyo sa access, no, yung email na yon. So mahalaga po ito for the parents and guardian details. So another advantage, no, is that ang pinaka-highlight po nito is the performance analysis. So alam nyo po, whether ang magandang advantage po sa ating mga parents, whether we work abroad, whether we work in a province or nasan man tayo, makikita natin, we can monitor the performance of our children. Kasi ito po ang magiging collaborative point. Kung minsan sasabihin ng mga estudyante, okay naman ang school nila. Pero in fact, minsan may problema na pala, di ba? So at this point, you will have their card, yung Form 138 nila, in the parent portal. So you can view it quarterly, yung pinaka-grades nila, no? Yung pinaka-report card nila. And also, kung makikita nyo yung graphical report na yan, nandyan yung performance nila, no? Whether gumaganda yung performance nila or bumababa yung performance nila, you could always monitor the performance of your children. So the next one is nandyan din, next slide, is yung attendance, no? So with this attendance report, yung bawat pagpasok po ng mga anak natin sa school, we could also monitor their attendance. Kasi maraming estudyante minsan, hindi ho ba sasabihin papasok ng eskwela pero minsan hindi pumapasok. So at least, you could always monitor the attendance of your children. Yun po ang importante dito. And then the next one, another benefit that we have is through collaboration with the advisor, evaluation by advisor. So what does it mean? So quarterly, nagbibigay ang advisor ng evaluation nila sa students. Kasi minsan sasabihin nga nila, okay naman ang school nila pero hindi pala. So through this, based on their report cards and their performance analysis, we would monitor kung baka kailangan na pala ng tutor ng anak natin sa isang subjects or nahihirapan siya sa ganitong task. So you could always collaborate with the class advisor for their evaluation, no? Monitoring their progress. Yun po ang importante dito. And the next one is through appointment request. So after, hindi ba, na-monitor na natin, di ba? Mamonitor natin yung progress nila. If there is a need, nakausapin natin ng subject teachers or even the advisors, through the appointment request, we will learn and see kung ano ang free time, available time ng mga class advisors for us to be able to go to school and perhaps talk to them. Kasi minsan, valuable siyempre ang oras natin mga parents. Minsan busy tayo sa work, biglang pupunta tayo sa school, yung pala wala naman pala yung advisor, or mas maganda coordinated, di ba? It should be better that we know the schedule para through appointment request, alam natin that when we go to school, meron talaga tayong appointment sa advisors or subject teachers. So that's one good benefit also of parent portal. So the next one po is a statement of account, no? So sa statement of account po, importante naman po na i-monitor din natin ito, no? Because alam niyo po, while the school has the obligation to provide a good and quality education sa ating mga anak, tayo naman po as parents, di ba, has also the obligation to pay our dues on time. So, give and take lang yan eh, collaborative effort. So, we must ensure that we always pay our tuition fee dues on time. So, dito po, malalaman na natin yung statement of account natin. Kasi minsan nasa abroad tayo or nasa malayong lugar, nagpapabayad lang din tayo eh, di ba? So, we must make sure na yung taong nagbayad kapag binayaran na yung tuition fee sa school, mamomonitor natin agad kung nabayaran ba by posting it on parent portal, yung actual payment na ibinayad ng ating kakilala or yung pinabayad natin. So yun po ang magandang benefits dito. We could monitor our payment for the payment of statement of account. And also, the next one, the school can also send here yung mga payment reminders as a reminders for us to pay our dues on time. So, as you could see parents, ito ho ang mas magagandang elements, yung advantage and benefits of our parent portal that St. Patrick has included this year to be able to provide all of us, all our children, a good quality of education. So, thank you very much po, and God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Sir Edward Arcega, our system provider. And now we'll move to our question and answer to our dear parents. Maybe I can read some of the questions. I think there's one here from Miss Dion. It appears down nothing shows when I click the reset password on the email I received. When I click the forgot password, my email is already verified before. Miss Dion, can you send us a message so as we can help you out with this one? May mga tanong pa kayo, dear parents, so we can help you out po.
Sir Larry, question po.
Okay. Who's this?
Mark
Sir
po.
Mark?
Hindi, question lang. Kasi naka-register na ako at naka-login na rin. Pero wala pa bang laman yan. Kasi currently parang in-explore ko siya. May dashboard, student profile, medical fees, ganun pa lang. Wala pang mga subject or schedule.
Okay. Ang ano po, the viewing of the grades po, I think it's scheduled on November 13.
13, 14,
13, no?
15.
So
13 to 15, sir.
November 13, 14, and 15. So the actual grades would already be seen po.
Viewing po.
Okay.
Alright. Sige. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Magbibigay ng card?
Other questions po?
Pwede daw ma-view sa parents portal.
Ano?
Sige po, wala po tayong printed report card na ibibigay for the first, second, and the third quarter, but we will be able to provide the report card towards the end of the year po.
For viewing purposes lang po tayo, ma'am. Ma'am, sir, for viewing purposes lang po tayo for first to third quarter. And at the end of the school year, magbibigay na po kami ng official hard copy with signatures in school dry seal na po makikita nyo doon. Baka may tanong po ma'am, baka may ibang parents po na hindi po nila ma-view yung grades. Baka po meron po kayong kailangang isettle sa accounting department. So, kailangan nyo po makipag-coordinate sa accounting department in case po na hindi po kayo makapag-access or hindi nyo po makita yung grade ng bata. Tumawag lang po kayo muna dito sa registrar or sa may accounting department po para ma-assist po kayo. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Sir Rogie, one parent, si Elvin Villarama, our parent, is asking if they could have a copy of the presentation slides.
Yes sir, pwede po namin ikon sa advisor and then pwede pong i-send namin din para makuha dun sa mga bata. May group chat naman po. Pwede po namin pa-send yun sir.
And we'll also post ito pong recorded ating Zoom
Sa
meeting
Facebook.
sa ating YouTube. So we'll just send the link po just in case you'd like to view again po yung ating parents reorientation. So starting November 13, sir, they can actually view the grades already, no? 13,
Yes po.
14,
14,
and
15 po.
and 15.
15.
Good afternoon po. Question lang po.
Yes, good
Hindi
afternoon
ko po
po.
lang naintindihan. Yung email address po ba na ilalagay is yung email address ng mga na-register? Like for example, ako po, dalawa po kasi yung kids ko dyan. So isang grade 1 and then isang grade 10. So ano po ba yung ilalagay na email address? Yung email address nila o yung sa akin po?
Ma'am, para
Hindi
sa
ko na kasi
parents
maalala kung ano po yung nilagay ko.
ma'am, para sa parents portal, ma'am, dapat po sa inyo po 'yun gagamitin niyo, ma'am. Tapos mag-message po kayo sa Facebook page, ma'am, para i-confirm po namin dito, ma'am, para ma-assist po namin kayo kung tama yung binigay niyo dito sa amin at yung ginagamit niyo po diyan, ma'am. Tapos kung tatlo pong anak or dalawa pong anak, isang email address lang po gaya yung diniscuss ni Sir Edward po kanina. Parang hindi na po kayo palipat-lipat ng account. Kung maraming anak, 3 man or 4, isang account lang po gagamitin, nandun na po lahat ng account. So parang isang tingin lang po, makikita niyo po lahat ng mga grades ng anak niyo po. Kaya dapat po mag-match po tayo sa email address na gagamitin niyo at nire-register niyo gayon diyan sa portal niyo po.
Okay, sige. Thank you. I'll send a message na lang kasi yung last time, nag-try ako, ginamit ko yung email address ko, nag-error. So, papa-verify ko na lang siguro dyan sa inyo. Thank you.
Okay po, ma'am. Noted po. Welcome po.
Sir, one question.
Go
Hello,
ahead.
sir.
Makaka-join si Reshma kasi ako nag-join eh.
We'll have Sir Miss Eleonora, then Sir Mark.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Question ko po. Ako po yung nag-enroll sa apo ko, so it is my email address kung nakalagay doon sa form. What if I would like na yung parents niya ay, makita po yung sa parents portal? Paano po kaya yon kung email ad ko naman po ang nakasulat doon sa sa form?
Ano po ba ang gusto niyo, ma'am? Yung parent na lang po ang mag-access ng kakuha ng bata?
No, gusto po ako rin and I want them also. Pwede po ba yon? Or
Sir,
hindi? Ako lang po ba?
Sir Edward, pwede ba yon?
Technically, ano po bang relation niyo, ma'am, sa
Grandmother. Ako yung lola. Nasa akin yung
Basically,
bata.
Opo, parang gusto niyo po na makikita ng anak
The
niyo, which is
parents mo,
parents,
yes. Oo.
yung
Opo.
at ikaw din. Actually, ano lang naman po yun, ma'am, kasi syempre as grandparents, parang anak niyo naman po yun. Siguro internally, pwede niyo namang shall we say, bigay niyo na lang yung kumbaga yung password niyo or kung kumbaga mag-ina naman po kayo. Parang ganun lang naman po yung
Okay. Okay, sige. Thank you, sir.
Basta, I just like to emphasize to all parents no na mag-ingat din po kayo sa pagbigay no kasi basically we want also to protect the informations no. So ang ano ko lang po, ang advice ko is protect informations and yung confidentiality, but ibibigay nyo ang inyong mga email at password sa mga taong talagang you think na yung talagang pinagkakatiwalaan nyo lang. Like in that case, mag-ina naman po kayo. So from time to time, pwede naman po yun, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you
In
very
short, sir,
much.
in short, Sir Edward, may sharing of account, parang ganun po, basta with permiso.
Yeah, of course. Kasi mag-ano naman po sila, sir, parang kumbaga parang on behalf of parang mother naman siya, parang binibigyan na naman ng ano yung anak niya. Kaya lang kumbaga we highly encourage na kung sino talaga yung naka-register talaga, siya talaga yung mag-access.
Okay. Thank you very much. I think kanina nag-raise si Sir Mark. Sir Mark?
Sorry, ano lang po, follow up lang naman yun. So, yung pong information kasi na-browse ko na siya. So, may mga parang incorrect na ron. So, kung papa-update ko, let's say, phone number, address, punta lang sa office, mas madali.
Apo.
Yes, Sir Mark. You can do that po. You can either go to the office po or you can call na lang po para po for the corrections.
Sige po. Okay lang. Malapit lang naman. Alright. Sige po. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think next we have Miss Christine.
Pag magsasalita si Daddy tsaka
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, a question for Sir Daryl na lang. Siguro in regards with this new parent portal. So tanong ko lang kasi sabi ang releasing of cards is 10, what is that? 13, 14, 15. So wala na tayong, I mean hindi na magkakaroon ng physical na PTC. So online na lang ang viewing, tama po ba?
Yes, tama po yun. Ang viewing po natin, that would be the first, second, third quarter. And yung sa fourth quarter po, yun, we will be able to give the printed report card po.
Yes, pero in case kunyari may, 'di ba na-view ko na, tapos may gusto man akong tanungin regarding sa performance ng bata, pwede pa rin ba bang mag-approach doon sa teacher
Pwede naman po
or
yun.
sa advisor?
Set an appointment.
Yes, pwede po yun. You can actually set an appointment and talk po to the advisor concerned para po concerns with regards to the grades.
Oh, okay. Okay, yun lang po. Thank you, Sir Daryl.
Okay, thank you very much po.
Ma'am, kumbaga explore niyo po yung system. May mga, pwede po kayo makikita mga appointment dyan, ma'am. Pwede niyo po magawa yun, ma'am, kung may mga katanungan about dun sa performance or grades ng bata, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Roji. Roji, right?
Welcome po. Yes po.
Sir Edward, may tanong dito, no? Will they be notified daw through their email if there is any update daw with regards to the portal?
Yes, kayo naman po sa school, you can notify kasi through email nagsisend din naman kayo ng mga statement of accounts, no? So you can notify them, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sir Edward. Sir Roger, there's a question here. Sinasak sa message. What if there are concerns with, let's say, accounts daw or balances? Will they be able to view their card?
Okay. Yung in special, kunwari po, pag hindi niyo po na-view, halimbawa may mga back accounts, may temporarily lock po yung inyong account. So with that po, kailangan niyo po makipag-coordinate dito sa accounting department. Kung may mga ganun po kayong nakikita na baka po may error, hindi po baka meron po kayong kailangang i-settle po dito sa accounting department. So yun lang po, itawag niyo po dito agad sa office. So naka-temporary lock po yung inyong account po para kung just in case na kailangan niyo i-update yung payment niyo, madali naman po natin yung buksan agad yung account. Makikita niyo na po din yung grade ng bata.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Roji, no? I think there's another question here. Okay, I think yung may question dito with is asking about kung kailan, no? na-mention na po kanina na the actual viewing po will be November
13 to
13
15.
until 15 po.
15.
So we have 3 days to view it. So Rog, anytime naman po they can view it, no?
Yes
Basta-
po, sir. Pag start ng pasok ng 13, sir, nakaset po yun.
Okay.
For viewing po. Sir, kung tanong nila mawawala, for F1 na po, magstay na po yung grade nila hanggang 4th quarter po. Steady po, anytime na gusto nila makita yun, sir. Nandyan lang po yan sa portal o sa account po nila.
Oh, that's very good. So anytime, sir, na gusto nilang ma-check yung
Check.
grade ng anak nila, they can just go to the
And
portal.
then to make it clear po, just for viewing purposes lang po yung nakikita nyo doon, hindi po yan official. Ang official po natin at the end of the school year po, magbibigay po kami ng hard copy. Okay po.
Thank you, Sir Rogie. Meron pa po ba tayong mga tanong? I think magtanong na po kayo, parents, no? Habang nandito po ang ating school registrar and our system provider, no? And some of our important school administrators are present here.
Sir, ako, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead po.
Oo. Ang parents lang ba ang makapag-view ng grades ng mga bata or sa account ng mga kids ay lalabas din yung kanilang yung results sa cards nila?
Wala pong account ang mga bata, ma'am. Sa inyo po yan kasi email address nyo po,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Kaya po
So they
talaga
will not
mababantayan
know.
nyo na po dito, ma'am, kung ano yung performance ng bata. Ano yung hindi na nila pwedeng maitago sa inyo, ma'am. Nakikita nyo na po anytime.
Okay.
Opo.
Thank you.
Okay. Tapos may mga tanong po kung may i-download po bang apps? Wala pong i-download na apps. It's just a link lang po para po makaregister ng inyong account. Yung binigay po naming link kanina po, yun po ang sundan nyo na lang po sa step 1.
Okay. I think there's a question dito, Sir Rogie, no? Starting November 13, lahat na po ba makikita ang grades? Yes, ma'am. Lahat po makikita na po 'yon. So, by that time, the grades are already in po for viewing. And then I think there's another one. In what tab in the portal can we view the grades? Actually ngayon po wala pa pong makikita na grades doon. Yung opening of the actual grades po and makikita po 'yon on November 13. And then ano pa ba yung nakalagay dito?
Pero sa grading tab, no? Do they have access, Rogie, to other grading, di ba? Yung tab. They can look at the module on grading. Is that correct? Sir Rogie?
Ang makikita na lang po nila doon, ma'am. Ang makikita po nila doon sa card, yung final grade ng bata by quarter lang po.
Di, anong tab
So,
daw? Anong
yun
tab?
po, makikita niyo po nila attendance. Oh, sorry, nawawala.
Sir Rog?
Wala lang po ang...
Yan, naririnig ka lang.
Ayan, nalalag po. Sorry lang, ma'am. Wala po internet. Ayan. Yes po, ma'am, sir.
No, Rogie, I was asking, nakalagay kasi in what tab in the portal can we view the grades? Are they talking about yung, di ba may grading, registration, cashiering? Baka yun ang tinatanong, na-access ba nila yun o grading lang talaga ang nakikita ng parents?
As of now, ma'am, wala pa po sila makikita. Sa 13 pa makikita nila yung grading mismo, ma'am. Doon yun makikita ang tab na yun, ma'am. Doon nila i-click yun, ma'am.
So lalabas
doon
pa
nila
lang.
mismo mabuview. Actually, ma'am, pagbukas nila ng account nila, ma'am, mabuview na nila agad doon, ma'am. Pag ready na for open na po by 13. Opo.
I think si Mrs. Bailon is raising her hand. Mrs. Bailon, you can speak po. Sige, we'll answer muna po yung I think there's a question here. Kung may case po na error yung grade, kailangan po the teacher will have to make sure po that the grades po are checked carefully just in case na may mga errors po dun sa grades or kung may mga concerns po, kagaya ng sinabi po kanina, pwede pong you can have a consultation po with the class advisor po para ho ma-check no in details about the grades naman po. And then towards the end po, normally ho the final grading no, which would include already yung first, second, third and the fourth quarter, hard copy po 'yon, tama po 'yon. Yung actual report card po will have to be given po. And then ano pa ba?
Sir Dari, cases po ba makikita rin dyan?
Sir, paulit po.
Yung mga quizzes ng mga bata, makikita rin ba dyan sa portal?
Hindi na po.
Okay.
Hindi na po sir makikita doon. Grade na po yun
Okay.
sir, attendance
Yeah.
and performance na lang po ng bata.
Okay, just asking po. Salamat.
Next, I think si Sir Mark raised his hand again, and then Briones of grade 8.
Sir, clarify ko lang. Active na yung site natin ngayon, di ba? Kasi I check, wala pa yung mga parang schedules ng mga subjects, parang mga ganun. Wala pa siyang mga laman. Tama ba?
So Rog?
Actually, sa teacher's part po yon, yung part na yun na sinasabi ni Sir, maglalagay pa po yan sila dyan, Sir. Bala baka by hoping by 13 makikita nyo kasi kailangan nyo po kasing makipag-set an appointment. So, kailangan nilang, siguro sa ngayon, Sir, ina-update pa po nila kasi sa 13 pa din naman po, meron po kasi silang inaayos ngayon. Hoping by 13, 14, 15, Sir, makikita nyo po.
Oo, kasi I check yung mga class schedules
Class schedules.
wala pang laman blanco. So just checking lang. So doon lalabas ba yung parang pumasok sila nitong subject na to ganun or this is just for the schedule nila?
Schedule lang sir, schedule lang po. Doon sa attendance naman sir, doon makikita niyo po kung ilang days na po in every month po napasok ng bata. May
So yung
makikita po kayo
attendance
doon.
magiging under siya nung pangalan ng bata, di ba?
Opo sir, meron po per student po yung may mga attendance po sila.
Kasi wala wala pa siya sa
So
site ngayon.
as of now po, wala pa po silang nilalagay sir.
Okay. Alright, yun lang po. Clarify lang. Thank you.
Briones, grade 8.
Sir Dari, naka-mute ka po.
Okay, I think Briones, Mrs. or Mr. Briones from grade 8.
Hi, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po.
Yes po. I just wanna clarify po, since the quarterly grades po will be seen na po sa portal, hindi na po ba kami magkakaroon parents ng scheduled quarterly with the teacher to discuss po yung grades ng mga bata? Tama po ba? Wala na rin po yon. Yung parang last year, meron po kaming ini-schedule na at least 15 to 20 minutes para po magkaroon ng discussion with the advisor para lang po masabi yung mga yung sa scorecard po ng bata, yung discussion po. Hello?
Is Sir Christian around? Ma'am Janet?
Ako na lang po, Sir Dari.
Okay.
We will have po scheduled conference for each parents po regarding po sa grades po ng student. Magsisend na din po, it can be face-to-face po, depende po sa appointment po na ibibigay po ng class advisor dun sa concerned student po na kailangan mo kausapin face-to-face, and for the rest po, we will send a Zoom link po for the parents po para po makausap niyo pa rin po and ma-update po kung ano po yung need pa pong i-improve ng student po.
Okay po. Thank you po, teachers.
Thank you very much po. So, Mami, you can actually schedule po the appointment po with the class advisor just in case may mga concern po specifically doon sa grade ng bata. But Ma'am Shamer, meron pa ba tayong let's say parents meeting no for let's say for the junior high school, the grade school?
Actually po, meron pong individual conference po for parents po.
Okay. Meron dito yung link po, sandali lang po, ikakopy lang po yung link. Na-post na namin po kasi kanina, ipopost ko lang po ulit.
Pero
Ayan po.
Sir Dari, I think, yeah, the link should also be magsasubmit sila ng email nila, di ba? Para masendan din sila. But although the link is there, but they should also be submitting their own email addresses. Sir Rogie, kahit na wala silang email, can they access this?
Kailangan may email address, ma'am. Kailangan
yan?
sila mag-create po muna. Opo. Bigay nila din dito sa school, ma'am.
So email address po, parents, pasend po.
I think Mrs. Bailon, ma'am, you were raising your hand po. Siguro na pindot lang ni Mrs. Bailon. Parents, may mga questions ba po? So parents, kung may mga, let's say again, may mga clarifications po, you cannot log in po, may problema po dun sa email po sa pag-log in, feel free to message us po in our Facebook Messenger, or you can call us po 775-92274, 775-92274, or you can visit us po dito at St. Patrick's sa admin office. And just look for Van po, our IT po, so she can help you po with how you're able to log in po with our system. Okay, so may mga tanong pa, mga dear parents? Okay. Mrs. Bumanlag, meron ba? Nag-raise ba si ma'am? Hindi. Umano lang pala. Napunta lang doon. Okay. So, yeah. I'd like to thank our dear parents. I'd like to call for our closing remarks, our dear President, Mrs. Sara E. Cruz. Ma'am Sar.
Good afternoon po ulit. So, of course, we would like to thank our parents for taking the time this afternoon to be with us on the reorientation on the parent portal of our school management system. Ginawa po namin ang pag-acquire ng school management system precisely to help you, our dear parents and our families and our students to have more efficient access to information that is very relevant and very important to you in terms of the academic performance of your children. Kaya po ito po, ang technology po ay hindi na natin maiiwasan. It is something that we really need to be able to update ourselves with, kasi ganyan na po talaga ang direksyon ng buhay sa edukasyon. Kaya po binigay po namin itong pagkakataon sa inyo na magkaroon ng technology access so that hindi na po kayo kailangan pumunta sa school kung kayo po ay busy. I know that our parents are very busy. A lot of you are working, and but I know that you still want to be updated on the progress of your children. Kaya po ginawa po namin itong facility na ito para po tulungan ang ating mga magulang at mga pamilya, even those abroad, working abroad, to have access to this data na napakahalaga po. Paalala lang po namin na hindi po natin makikita ang grades ng ating mga anak kung wala po tayo ng parent portal. So sana po ay nabigyan namin kayo ng liwanag ngayong hapon para po ma-access po ninyo yung parent portal. Very simple lang po. Send lang nyo ang inyong email address. Tandaan po natin ang ating mga passwords para po ma-access natin. Pipindutin lang po natin ang ipapadala na link at makikita na po ninyo. You can create your accounts already. No need to upload or to get applications in your phones or your computers. It's just a mere sending of your email address to our staff so that magawa po natin ito. Ang St. Patrick's School ko ay we are dedicated to innovation. We are dedicated to being upgraded and updated in terms of technology because we acknowledge that this is the future of education. And that's the reason why we are providing different services in terms of technology for our students and for our parents. We would like to thank, of course, Sir Edward Arcega from Commerce One for being here this afternoon. Maraming salamat, Sir Edward. Suki na namin.
Yes.
At siyempre po buong taon ay susuportahan po tayo ni Sir Edward, no? Sa even maliliit na problema, nandyan po si Sir Edward, always available to St. Patrick's School. Maraming
Anytime.
salamat, Sir. Maraming salamat po. And of course, to our the person who did our orientation, our school registrar, Mr. Rogie Sarosa. Thank you very much for the information. And I know na si Sir Rogie po ay magiging malaking bahagi po sa mga information na kailangan nyo po para sa inyong mga anak. So Sir Rogie, maraming salamat. And of course, to our entire Academic Council, President's Council, to the leaders of our academic teams in the junior high school, the grade school, the senior high school, our principal, our director for academics, and all the members of our faculty and our organizations on behalf of everyone in St. Patrick's School. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa suporta. We're happy that we were able to help you and we will always be here to serve you and your children's needs. Maraming salamat po and good afternoon.
So thank you everyone. Yan na po, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating Parents Portal System Reorientation. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy your weekend po. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you also. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Thank you, senior high, junior high
Bye.
parents po.
Bye, Ma'am Helen. Bye, parents.
Po, sa